Welcome to NYC!
Booyah! So we're gonna go to the Garment District. Where else are we gonna go?
Well, right now we're going to a factory in the Garment District. So we're gonna go see the insides and makings of some of these clothes.
Cool beans. Alrighty then. Start over from hello.
Hello again.
Where are we?
So we are in the factory of Zuhair Karsley.
Zuhair Karsley?
Yes, and this is a major success story in the Garment District.
You're here from Syria,
Yeah,
correct? And you've been here for 18 years.
yeah.
And tell me again, what was the date that you came?
I'm coming at Tuesday, September 11, 2001.
Tuesday, September 11th, 2001.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
so
yeah,
your first day here was a little bit rough then. Is this what you did when you were in Syria?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have in mind to start this business when you got here?
Yes.
Or were you okay?
I'm coming with, that's my plan. I want to do this.
How many employees do you have?
4 or 5.
4 or 5?
Me and my wife and other 3 of other 4.
Your wife is employed
Yeah.
here.
Both of
How much
us.
do you pay her?
She pay me.
Oh, she's the real boss.
She pay me.
Is business good right now?
If you work hard, it's business good. If you don't work hard, like relax, it's not good.
So you have to stay busy, you have to keep your name out there.
Yeah, and you have to work by your hand to help your people. If
You have to
sometimes
be here every day maintaining
Every day,
the
yeah.
quality.
I don't take any vacation for 18 years.
Oh my goodness. You
Never.
need a vacation.
Because it's feast or famine. The Garment District, unfortunately, a lot of companies, have gone to China
Right.
and other places, but there's a lot going on here. The Garment District in New York City is definitely still going strong for those people who have stuck it out.
Well,
Yay,
cool.
that's so good.
Cool. People don't realize this, but it's like, what time is it, Donna?
It's almost 8 o'clock at
Almost
night.
8 o'clock at night. Yeah, it's pretty
Well,
late.
7:30.
7:30 p.m. and this guy's letting
I
me
have to
interview
work
him
like
in his
maybe
factory.
1 hour working.
Yeah, you're gonna be here another hour tonight.
Yeah.
I was just thinking, what really surprises me is that this is like this nondescript building, off what, 8th that we came in from.
8th Avenue, 39th Street.
839. It's like
37th Street.
you're like, oh,
and-
it's here.
and-
I'm like, wait, what? It's not like big warehouse. It's not what I would have expected in manufacturing. So,
And this whole building is full of different manufacturers.
so here's the real question: what's rent on a space like this cost?
It's like a few grand a month.
A few grand a month. Is that 8 grand, 3 grand?
I'm not sure how much.
I don't want to be nosy, but come on, how
I
much?
haven't- I haven't
How much? 6,000 a month. How many square feet?
It's around 1,500.
1,300 square feet. 6,000 a month.
You can find parking here. You cannot find parking. You cannot-
That's a fact. I verified that earlier.
no parking.
You can't park for shit here.
Take the bus. Take my car from New Jersey to go to Clifton.
You come in from New Jersey?
I live in Clifton.
Wow.
No, because all the employees over here, they come into district area. They
Okay.
cannot find they cannot go to there or anywhere. And the customer too. The customer is looking to the.
So your
place.
business has to be
Yeah,
in this
in this
area,
area.
in Midtown.
Yeah, but now they say it's they want to move district area to Brooklyn. All district area they try to move to Brooklyn because they want to use these buildings to make it like hotels or.
So it's the building owners that are trying to move you guys out.
No, I'm saying the city.
The city.
The city, yeah. The city force in the price, the rent is more higher and higher and higher.
Will it be less expensive in Brooklyn?
Sure, but if they move everybody to there, all the district area to there is same.
Same business, same employees, same
Yeah,
everything. So if the entire district's moved, it'll be okay. But if everybody spreads out, it's going to change the
All
dynamic.
of them go there, it's same. Work here or work over there.
But if they spread out, it'll change the dynamic of
Yeah,
your
maybe,
business.
yeah.
Who are your primary customers?
With a small designer, like a small quantity,
Yeah.
with high quality, like this one. This for dancing. I have no idea what you want. But I know for dancing, but where is it? I don't know.
Very colorful.
Nice.
That's
Cirque du
nice.
Soleil style.
This
Yeah,
one,
it is.
that's
Oh my goodness. And they're probably custom made for the dancers that are going to wear
Yeah,
them.
come here, and when they go to make order, they come to me. Then it's any quantities,
Nice.
like that. Small is more money. When you go to big quantity, it's with this salary, how much we pay to my own people, it's no good.
So you
need like
your niche is in small quantity.
small quantity, high quality is good.
Right.
Income. Like this, kind of control with.
So are we going to see this on Broadway?
I have no idea when they
Tell me about these. I like these.
Which one?
These. With this, they're inside out right now.
This-
Looks almost like chainmail. That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, it's too expensive fabric too.
I
$30 a yard.
$30 a yard.
Yeah, by wholesale.
Is it hard to work with?
Yeah, the backend is too hard, and the waistband too hard too.
I would imagine it's difficult to sew. It probably snags a lot. Yeah, I don't even know anything about sewing, and I can tell that.
Yeah.
That's nice. So if I want custom clothes, you're the man to come to. Okay. I'll pass that on. Well, it's been a pleasure meeting you. I really appreciate you taking this in. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Do this. So is it common to have bananas in fabric now? Are bananas the new thing in clothing?
Sometimes English, you know, understand. So.
Okay.